Hey, what's up, car enthusiasts? Today I'm diving into the P1 Duo 4K dash cam to see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about video quality. The P1 Duo offers a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. That's like having eagle eyes for your car. Crisp footage day or night, thanks to its impressive night vision. So if someone tries to pull a fast one, you've got the evidence. Now let's move on to features. This baby comes with Wi-Fi and app control, making it super easy to download and share your videos straight from your phone. Plus, the 1.5-inch IPS display is clear and easy to navigate. Voice control? Yep, it's got that too. Just tell it what to do and keep your hands on the wheel. And for those long parking stints, there's a 24-hour parking mode to keep an eye on things even when you're away. Let's not forget the G sensor. This clever little feature automatically records any sudden impacts, so you've got that peace of mind if someone dings your ride. But is it worth it? At around insert price here, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. High quality video, solid features, and an easy-to-use interface. So, if you're looking to up your car's security game, the P1 Duo 4K dash cam is definitely worth considering. You can find the link down below if you want to check it out. Alright, that's all for today, folks. Smash that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more car gadget reviews. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.